Alica Schmidt is a German runner. She was born on November 8, 1998 in Worms, Germany. She started to engage in athletics when she was 6. Her family now lives in Ingolstadt, Bavaria, Germany. She attended Fresenius University of Applied Sciences. Her parents brought her to a track and field club. The girl liked the new hobby. At the age of 11, Alica realized she wanted to focus on 200, 400 and 800 meter sprints. Schmidt was in the German squad for the 4x400 meters relay event at the 2021 European Athletics Indoor Championships. Schmidt was selected for the German relay squad at the delayed 2020 Summer Olympics. She traveled to the games as a substitute in the mixed relay, in which she did not run. Schmidt was appointed as Borussia Dortmund's fitness coach for the 2020-21 Bundesliga season. At the 2019 German Athletics Championships, Schmidt came third in the under-23's 400 meters event and was part of the SCC Berlin team that comes second in the 4x400 meters relay event. In October 2017, Schmidt started training at SC Potsdam after moving to Brandenburg for personal reasons. Ahead of the 2019 season, Schmidt joined SCC Berlin. She was part of the German team that came third in the 4x400 meters relay event at the 2019 European Athletics Under-23 Championships. In 2018, she started competing in 400 meters hurdles events. Schmidt began her career training at MTV Ingolstadt. In 2017, Schmidt came second in the 200 meters event at the Under-20s German Championship. At the 2017 European Athletics Under-20 Championships, Schmidt was part of the German 4x400 meters relay team that finished second. Schmidt also set a personal best time of 54.23 seconds in a qualifying round of the individual 400 meters event at the championships. She was withdrawn from the individual 400 meters final in order to focus on the relay event. In the same year, she came second at the German Under-20 Championship in the 400 meters event. She was a fitness coach of Bundesliga club Borussia Dortmund. Although Alica doesn't have serious titles and awards, she has already gained worldwide love and great popularity. Alice cherishes her personal life like the apple of her eye. We know only that she dates a guy named Ritter who is also connected to sports.